Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is a thumbs up. That's what that pillow is there to remind me, to remind you guys that that's where you come in. If you enjoy the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. Guys, this is an absolute surprise. I got contacted from Glossybox, as you know, on my channel. They have blessed this channel with sending us the boxes. They do reach out every month to make sure that we want to continue to receive the box, and I always say yes, because this box is one that I'm really impressed with, and I cannot wait for it to arrive so that I can share with you about this box. The box is around a $20 a month box, but I always end up getting links that help you save dollars on the box. But what I tell you about Glossybox that I find to be absolutely fantastic is they have so many opportunities to get other brands as well as limited edition boxes. What's great about the limited edition boxes is that they are available to everyone. You do not only have to be a subscriber. If you're a subscriber, you do get an extra discount on the box, but these special edition boxes run around $30, $35, be it if you're a member or not. So it is absolutely fantastic. And like I said, available and attainable for everybody. And everything usually ships for free. But double check everything that I'm telling you when you go on the website. Make sure to go through the link. Also, Glossybox is part of Rakuten. So if you have Rakuten, make sure to go to Rakuten first because you will get cash back. If you are not part of Rakuten, then you know I have a link down below that gets you $30 and me $30 as long as you spend $30 within the first 90 days of pressing the link. There are no fees. There are no monthly fees, there are no sign-up fees. It's solely cash back. And as you know, I've shared with you so many times on my channel, I've been part of Rakuten's program way before I had a channel because I love to shop online. It's also available with Rakuten to shop on stores. And Rakuten always sends you little reminders when there's other deals going on as well. So it's something I highly recommend. But this extra bonus I think is absolutely fantastic because you get paid to do what we love to do, which is shop. And then it is just extra dollars that are gonna come every quarter in a check. But if you have not signed up for it, definitely use the link because then you'll get an extra $30 added to your check, your first check. So really excited about that. But we are here to talk about Glossybox. It says on this box, surprised me, and that's exactly what happened to me. I was absolutely surprised. I had no idea this was coming. And when I opened it up, because what I do is I open up everything prior to, so I can take a picture for Instagram. So if you're not following me on my Instagram, you are missing out. My name there is True Wants with the number 2. And I share so much with you over on Instagram as well, so I don't want you missing out. But what we do here on YouTube is we open up everything, we do the unboxing, we do swatches, and I give you more information about what all the products are about. So really excited, and especially when it's a PR box that's being sent, something's being gifted to the channel, I will make sure to open up everything, try to open up everything and share with you my thoughts, all right? So this is the gorgeous box. It looks so similar to the phenomenal advent calendar that I received from Glossybox at the beginning of the holiday season. If you did not see that video, you must. I will try to link it down below. There's also discounts that I will leave in the description box for this box, for their subscriptions, for their advent calendar. Whatever dollars I can try to save, I make sure to send those links, set up those links in the description box down below. But this time of year, there's a lot of discounts going on. So even if you go through my link, that will bring you to the website. If there's a better deal going on at the website than what my link is offering, make sure to use that because it's all about you getting the products. So this is the Glossybox that we received, and this is their holiday 2021 limited edition. And it opens up simply like this. Inside, they had this gorgeous gold paper with a beautiful blue bow that matched the outside. It had the stunning clinky papers that matched the box in blue inside. Glossybox, not only are the products absolutely fantastic and we're getting it at such an attainable price, It's also free ship, you know, in North America, and that is absolutely fantastic as well. And like I said, everything is so reasonably priced, and the products that we end up getting inside these boxes blow my mind. I think the value of this box, when I looked it up on their website, is worth over $185, and we're spending in that $35, be it if you're a member of the monthly box or not. And then this, like I said, their boxes have always been keepsakes for me. So I am so impressed with all these boxes. They're hard shell, they're beautifully packed, and everything in it is an absolute winner. All right, so let's get started. So we're gonna open up the brochure that they sent us and see what they have in store. It says, we are so excited to finally share with you the 2021 Holiday Limited Edition. This is a luxury collection that's full of treats to make you feel pretty and pampered during the beautiful time of the year. We wish you a happy holidays and can't wait for you to try and love all the amazing products in this year's limited edition. The first item that came in this cute packaging, and this I received some products that I purchased from like a Pat McGrath line that was also with these cute little beautiful celebration little inside, these little flakes, just so cute. And inside here was this product here, and this is from a brand that is new to me. So if you're familiar with this product or this brand, please share it in the comments down below, because that's what we do here, we share with each other. This is a full-size product. It is from the brand called Kawaii Girl Cosmetics. They're saying it is a loose shimmer powder in Allerton, and this is a multifunctional loose shimmer powder that is exactly what you need to add that little extra pop to your look. Whether you want to have a glittery eyeshadow or highlight your cheekbones or add a little sparkle to your lips, this is a bold pigment that can do it all. And this is a $15 value. I'm sure this is all together, probably sealed. Yeah, it's sealed. And inside here, there is these little shimmers that I think are absolutely stunning. We're gonna just open up here, and I'll just take a little bit on the tip of my finger, which I would really prefer to be doing this with a brush. But that is what the product looks like there. And I will put it all back together before I make a mess of my area here. And we will close it up tight. And then I will try my best to show you that it is a beautiful glittery gold color. Really pretty. So like they said, you can use this if you want to add a little extra oomph to your lipstick, especially for New Year's and all the holidays coming up. It's always great to have this in your arsenal. The next item in here is a mask, and this is a full-size product from a brand called knesko Skin. They're saying this is a repair lip mask. It says instantly nourish and repair your lips with this age-defining lip mask. It's infused with colloidal gold, and it has hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and elastin. It is an at-home spa treatment that will leave your lips looking plump, hydrated, and healthy. This is an $18 value on its own. The next item is a brand that I tell you is one of my faves, and this is from this brand called Milk Makeup. This is their full-size item, and they come in these little cylinders, and they're absolutely fantastic. This is a $20 value on its own. It is their mini lip and cheek in Werk, spelled W-E-R-K, and it is a dusty rose color. They're saying this is an easy 2-in-1 dusty rose cream stick that doubles as a hydrating sheer blush, as well as a lip tint, and it builds as you swipe. It's a mango butter, avocado oil infused formula that hydrates and blends seamlessly into your skin. So what you do with these is you simply twist it up from the bottom, and then there's a little safety cover that I always put back on just to keep it as fresh as long as I can. That is what the color looks like here. And when you do the swipe, that is how beautiful. And if you want it just to be sheerer, you do a lighter swipe. So that is just one swipe, and that's you building up the color. It's also good that you can wind this down, which is what I always recommend before you put the dome back on top, and then you seal it and screw it tight. And this keeps, I feel, cream products a lot, they don't dry out as quickly. But what I love about Milk Makeup is that they come in these cylinders. So if you're not the girl that likes to put their fingers in, which is me, and put it in, you're able to then take it directly from here, dot it exactly where you want it. And then either you can use your fingertips to warm it up and spread it out. What I like using for cream products is a dual fiber brush. But that is really, really great that that is in here as well. The next item that we have in here came in this cute little bag here, and it was this beautiful, beautiful packaging from another new brand to me. and this is Neolastin. This is their deluxe size, and there says it's to rejuvenate and hydrate your moisturizing cream. It's formulated with high quality ingredients that will revolutionize technology. This moisturizer is suitable for all skin types. It nourishes your skin with an anti-aging hydration moisture that revitalizes and restores your skin texture and gives it a more radiant look and feel. This, they're saying on its own, is a $56 value, and they're saying it is 20 mil. The full size of this is a 45 mil, and it's worth $140. Such a treat to be able to try such high-end products from brands that are new to me is what I love about subscription boxes. That is what the cream looks like here. I'll take a little bit that is off the container. It is a beautiful, beautiful thick cream, and I will just close this up as well, and we'll put a little bit on the other hand here to see what it feels like. Yeah, it's a very moisturizing cream, and there is no scent to it, which is really nice because a lot of high-end products, sometimes they put scents in, like a perfume, but this doesn't have that at all. Really, really excited about that. But talking about scents, there is a beautiful one in here, and it is from Valentino. And this is their deluxe sample size, but it came in the cutest bottle that I cannot wait to show you. Look at this. These are the type of bottles that in my other home, I used to have a tray that whenever I got these type of gorgeous bottles, I had them on this mirror tray, and I always loved to show them. It is just gorgeous. It is like diamonds on the inside. It is, and diamonds around, it is beyond stunning. This here is called Viva Eau de Parfum. They're saying this scent is an ode to Valentino's femininity. It is a harmony of couture, orange blossom, and golden gardenia, paired with a colorful Italian bergamot and mandarin. They're saying this fragrance is made addictive through an unexpected cool note of crystal, moss, and vanilla perfumes. The deluxe mini, which is a 7 mil, is worth $9.45, but the full size 100 ml is $135. Really excited, very sophisticated. Cannot wait to try this when I'm not wearing perfume. The next item in here is from Dutch Dirt, and this one is a full size, and it's from this brand called Bloomeffects. I got introduced to Bloomeffects, this brand, I think it was through BoxyCharm. It is a brand that they use, if my memory serves me correctly, and correct me if I'm wrong, with tulips and things like that. This one is an exfoliating scrub and face mask all in one. It's formulated, combines the best of the chemical and physical exfoliation to create a skin purifying, pore purging powerhouse plant and fruit enzymes of floral acids. It's teamed with a Dutch peat volcano sand, and it has kaolin clay work to purify, detoxify, and renew dull and congested skin. This is a $49 value. And it does come out where it looks like dirt, like a brown color. I do have one open that's in my arsenal, so I don't want to open up this one because I'm going to give this as a save for later. And this one, it says, apply an even layer of the mask to your clean, dry skin. Allow the mask to dry and leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse with warm water and gently pat dry. This is a really fantastic brand. If you haven't had the opportunity to try a product from Bloomeffects, it is one that I always get excited now to see in boxes. The next item in here is from Fekkai. I don't know how to pronounce that. Fekkai. This is a full size. They're saying it is a scalp calming shampoo and hydrating mask. They're saying this amazing duo, but I only received one product in here. So I received the shampoo. They're saying there probably should have been a conditioner that was put alongside this, but what I have in the box right now is this product here. And it says it has dry hair that you're looking for a clean, healthy glow to help calm and soothe your scalp. It will hydrate dry hair and proven to be safe for on color and keratin treated hair. That's fantastic. And it says to work together to blend moisture into the hair and dramatically reduce breakage. They're saying the whole set of this would be a value of $16, so this would be an $8 product. The full size, they're saying, is a $53. So this is a really high-end brand. Always excited to get shampoos and the conditioner. If you get both in this, is an absolute win to have them both. But I always I go through shampoos a lot quicker than I do conditioner. So always excited to get the opportunity that I have a shampoo in here. And what's not on the card, but in the box, is from from By Terry, which is such a phenomenal brand. This is their deluxe mini of this, and this alone is a $19 value. And this might be an extra bonus that is in the box, but I didn't see anything on the card, but I definitely want to share about this product with you because it is so beautiful. And on the bottom here, it says, let's just see if there's something written on here that I can see. It says Baume de Rose. So this I am going to just swatch and see. This might be one of those, either a clear gloss or the one that changes color when you put it on your skin. To it will, you know, your pH will change the color of it. So when I put it on my lips, I will see, but I think it might be one of those type of products. If not, it is a product from By Terry, and either way, it is an absolute winner. And that is everything that I received in the Glossybox Holiday Limited Edition. That's worth over $185. Like I said, the subscriber price on this is $30, but for everybody, it would be $35. Make sure to check all my links in the description box down below because this is something that is such a treat, and it is to me as well. So thank you so much to Glossybox for sharing on this channel and giving us the opportunity to share about your brand as well as all your fantastic boxes. Take care, everybody. Continue to stay safe and stay well. It is so important because otherwise you don't get the opportunity to enjoy. Number one is the most thing is everybody to have a happy holiday season as well as a healthy one. Take care, everybody. Stay well, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.